Life, a canvas painted with vibrant hues of joy and success. Yet, beneath the surface, there lie deeper currents, profound emotional landscapes that define our very humanity. These are the tearjerkers of life, moments that strip away our defenses and connect us to the raw, universal experience of feeling. It begins often with absence, the vacant chair at the family dinner, the quiet hum where laughter once filled a room, the hand no longer there to hold. Loss is a tearjerker because it carves a permanent space in our hearts, a testament to the love that once occupied it. It is the memory of a child's first steps, recounted by parents whose child never grew to adulthood. It is the quiet strength of a widow tracing a faded photograph, recalling a lifetime of shared dreams. Grief, in its purest form, is love's enduring echo. It reminds us that to live deeply is to risk profound sorrow, a risk you willingly take for the beauty of connection. Then there are the stories whispered in the wind, the quiet acts of devotion that define true selflessness. A parent working 2 jobs to ensure their child's future, foregoing their own comforts. A sibling stepping up to care for a family, putting their own dreams on hold. A stranger offering a lifeline to someone they will never meet again. These sacrifices, often made without expectation of reward or recognition, resonate deeply within us. They are a powerful reminder of the boundless capacity of the human heart to give, to protect, to endure hardship for the sake of another. The sheer weight of such love, so pure and unwavering, can bring tears to the strongest eyes. But life's tearjerkers are not solely etched in sadness. They also emerge from the ashes of adversity, in stories of impossible resilience. The individual who rises from poverty to achieve their dreams, the survivor of illness who finds new purpose, the community that rebuilds brick by painful brick after devastation. These narratives are not just about overcoming, they are about the defiant human spirit that refuses to be broken. They inspire, they humble, and they often bring tears of profound admiration. Witnessing the blossoming of hope in the face of despair, the unwavering courage to keep moving forward, reminds us of the extraordinary strength latent within us all. And sometimes the tears flow, not from grand narratives, but from simple, unexpected moments of pure human connection. A child's innocent act of kindness towards an elderly stranger, a long-lost friend's unexpected embrace, the shared glance of understanding in a moment of shared vulnerability. These are the instances where we feel deeply seen, deeply understood, or deeply moved by the innate goodness that still exists in the world. They are small, profound reminders that despite our differences, we are all woven into the same fabric of human experience, capable of both immense pain and boundless compassion. The tearjerkers of life are not designed to break us, but to remind us. They remind us of the preciousness of every connection, the immense power of love, the quiet dignity of sacrifice, and the enduring strength of the human spirit. They are the moments that truly make us feel alive, forcing us to confront the profound beauty and inherent fragility of our shared journey. They are, in essence, the very heart of what it means to be human.